This video serves as a comprehensive guide for beginners aiming to generate income through online platforms. It covers essential fundamentals and offers valuable insights to kickstart your online money-making journey. From affiliate marketing to freelancing, blogging, and selling digital products, we'll provide you with the knowledge and tools needed to navigate the diverse opportunities available in the online space. Whether you're looking to earn a side income or pursue online entrepreneurship, this video will equip you with the foundational understanding and strategies crucial for success in the digital landscape. Affiliate marketing offers a popular avenue for earning money online, and this video will provide a comprehensive understanding of its mechanisms. We'll delve into the intricacies of affiliate marketing, elucidating its concept, operational processes, and the essential steps for individuals aspiring to thrive in this domain. Whether it's comprehending affiliate networks, understanding commission structures, or implementing effective promotional strategies, we'll equip you with the knowledge required to embark on a successful affiliate marketing journey. Blogging holds substantial potential for online income generation, and this video sheds light on the lucrative aspects of this platform. We'll guide you through the process of creating a blog from inception to attracting traffic, and finally, monetizing it through various channels such as advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Whether it's understanding SEO for blog visibility, content monetization strategies, or leveraging affiliate partnerships, we'll provide you with the essential knowledge needed to establish and profit from a successful blog. Freelancing presents a flexible and lucrative avenue for online income, and this video is your comprehensive guide to exploring and succeeding in the freelancing realm. We'll navigate through the diverse freelancing opportunities available, providing insights on setting up and effectively managing your freelance business. Additionally, we'll equip you with valuable tips and strategies for thriving in the freelancing world, from finding clients to delivering high-quality work and building a sustainable freelancing career. Selling online courses and digital products is a lucrative method for generating income online, and this video will guide you through the process of creating and marketing these offerings. You'll gain insights into developing compelling digital products, structuring online courses effectively, and leveraging platforms to reach your target audience. Whether it's understanding digital product creation tools, e-commerce platforms, or implementing effective marketing strategies, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the realm of online courses and digital products.